Okay, so this is my tip for revamping the look of your stove really quickly in a very minimal and simple way. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a riser from anywhere. I'm going to add these to my shop as well. I just don't know when, but I just love the simpleness of them and how they can just turn a very dull space into something that brings out a statement. Get some simple decor out here and add it to my riser. And I have this space that's just so beautiful. It's matte white on the outside, ceramic white, but it's sealed inside so that I could put water inside this vase. That way the flowers can be put inside the vase while giving it a really nice touch on the outside of the vase. So you can put, this is fairly large, I would say, for the riser and I guess the overlook that I want, but we're just gonna go for it. And then you can finish off your riser with a candle, and of course from our shop. So there you have it. This is the way that I like, personally, I like to always have something on top of my stove just like this. Just clean it really quick, and it makes the space feel so calm, so peaceful, and it just makes it for a very welcoming kitchen. It's very simple and very easy to do.